Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secret, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today's recipe is healthy-ish, but definitely easy and quick and absolutely good for the soul. It's got all the Christmas spices I like in baked goods, and it's got a little unusual ingredient, which is butternut squash. So today is butternut squash muffins with vanilla icing. I'm going to start with the flour. So I've got all-purpose flour, and I'm going to sift that with some baking soda. And now my wet ingredients. I've got vegetable oil, almond flour, sugar, salt, cinnamon, ginger, it's powdered ginger, and I've got vanilla, eggs. I'm going to give that all a whisk. See, what I love about muffins, you don't need a machine. Just a quick mix by hand, and that's it, voila, done. I'm going to add the last Christmassy spice, which is nutmeg. I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to move on to the butternut squash. Here I have some butternut squash. I simply cubed it. I put a quarter cup of water in there, covered it with a plate, banged in the microwave 7 minutes. You don't have a microwave, you can steam it until it's soft. You don't have a steamer, you can just boil it in water and just make sure it's drained. It just needs to get soft. I need to puree this. So I'm going to put around what equals a cup and a half. I'm going to estimate. I think it's almost all of it. I'm going to whisk that in, and now I'm going to fold in the flour. Now my muffin tray. I'm going to line some paper cups. I'm going to dispense and this is going to go into a preheated oven, 180 degrees centigrade, a fan setting for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. And that's my butternut squash Christmas muffins ready. Enjoy.